In the kitchen, part 3, making Braunschweiger lettuce wrap sandwiches and with Swiss cheese. Dove cinnamon pumpkin pie hand soap. Smells freaking amazing. Get you some. It's about $3. So last Friday I went and I donated blood for the first time to see if I can overcome my fear of needles. I overcame my fear. I didn't have a panic attack. I didn't freak out. I did pretty good. But after the thing was done and I was trying to clot my elbow, I ended up passing out on them and woke up with some other phlebotomist sitting over the top of my face trying to wake me up. So I'm making this sandwich to basically recoup. I ended up so exhausted and I've been very shaky and weak for the past 2 days, so as much iron as possible. So I've got Braunschweiger, which is high in iron and fat and tastes amazing. And then I've got spinach, which is also high in iron. Get you a bottle of Dawn Power Wash Spray. It smells amazing and it really works. I have never been let down this far with it. Because I've been feeling weak for the past 3 days, I am having this dish to boost my iron intake so I can start feeling better. Last night I drank an entire bottle of orange juice to see if that can't help, but it did a little bit. My grandmother introduced me to this sandwich. It tastes freaking amazing. Braunschweiger is basically liverwurst. And it's, like I said, high in iron. It just tastes amazing. So hopefully eating this will actually make me feel a whole lot better and I could be back to my normal self. Yeah, add some spinach. Gotta have to add spinach. But very fresh, very delicious sandwich. Very healthy. So this dish soap, you only want to use a little bit. Not so much like that, but it's enough to clean it. Anyways, roll this up, take a bite. Thanks for watching.